There was another ungodly number that came out of the markets last week, a little bit closer to home, and that was Rio Tinto's dividend.
Stunning. If you're a shareholder, stunning. Rio Tinto, a mining giant here in Australia, is incredibly benefiting incredibly from the record iron ore prices that we're seeing, returning $9.1 billion to shareholders after its most profitable and lucrative period in history.
Yeah, the most lucrative 6 months in its history.
6 months in its history. And when we say what that, it's great news for shareholders, we're talking a US $5.61 a share in profit for the half.
Yeah, dividend. Yeah, for the half.
Which is just, if you think about how many shares Andrew Forrest owns, who is the...
No. Twiggy is Fortescue.
Sorry, I'm thinking Fortescue, damn it.
He might own some shares.
He might own Rio, damn it, but still.
So just to put this number in context, because share price is in the hundreds, 130 or something. $5.61, what does that mean? It is more than double the previous record for a Rio half-year dividend. The record in 2019 was set at $2.12, so it's more than double that. The record for a full year of shareholder returns was $5.57 in 2020, so half-year and full-year dividend added together, $5.57. This year's dividend is more than that. This half year's dividend is more than that by itself. So, as a Rio shareholder, you're pretty happy. The $9.1 billion US dollar dividend was a record in corporate Australia, most ever.
Jeez.
Guess who held the record before that?
A mining company.
Rio, the year before.
Jeez. Well, that's coming off the back of underlying earnings of $12.16 billion for the first 6 months. So absolutely churning that out. And as we said, that is largely driven by the record iron ore prices. That, not surprisingly, but they're still just hovering around these incredible marks.
Yeah.
So,
well, here's the number that just blows you away. Analysts have looked at the iron ore price and Rio's cost to produce in WA, and they think that they're making more than $100 US of profit after tax for each ton they ship.
wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's margin.
That is margin. Wonder what Fortescue's making.
But the interesting thing is that part of, Rio has struggled with iron ore. Part of the reason why the iron ore price is so high is that Rio and then Brazil's Vale have both struggled to actually ship enough ore. And that supply constraint, coupled with an increase in China's demand to record levels, has really been a key driver of the price.
Yeah, there you go.